The ancient Sumerian Ziggurats. In the cradle of civilization, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the ancient Sumerians built monumental structures that stood as a testament to their ingenuity and devotion, the mighty Ziggurats. Welcome to the realm of ancient Sumeria, where these colossal stepped pyramids graced the skyline, reaching towards the heavens and embodying the spiritual aspirations of a remarkable civilization. Constructed with sun-dried bricks, the ziggurats were architectural wonders, rising in a series of terraces, each smaller than the one beneath. They formed majestic stepped pyramids that adorned the city-states of Sumer. Among these structures, the Ziggurat of Ur stands tall in the annals of history. A sacred sanctuary in the city-state of Ur, it symbolized not only religious devotion, but also the prosperity and grandeur of the city. The Ziggurat of Ur stood as the central focus of the city, dedicated to the moon god Nana. Its terraces rose over 70 feet, with a grand staircase leading to a shrine at the summit. These monumental structures were not randomly scattered across Mesopotamia. Rather, they were strategically located at the heart of city-states, dedicated to specific patron deities that the Sumerians revered. The ziggurats were sacred spaces where priests ascended during religious ceremonies, bridging the earthly realm with the divine. Each step symbolized a spiritual journey, a connection with the gods. Religious ceremonies on the ziggurats were elaborate affairs. Priests, adorned in ceremonial attire, ascended the terraces, offering prayers and sacrifices to the gods. Sumerians, with a keen interest in the heavens, also utilized ziggurats for astronomical observations. The elevated platforms allowed astronomers to study celestial events, influencing the Sumerian understanding of the cosmos. Their stepped design also provided stability and durability against the region's frequent flooding. The mud brick construction, though susceptible to erosion, allowed for intricate detailing. The construction of a ziggurat involved a community effort. Citizens, under the supervision of skilled craftsmen and architects, molded and baked countless bricks, creating a structure that embodied the collective spirit of the Sumerian people. The walls of ziggurats were adorned with intricate cuneiform inscriptions, chronicling the achievements of rulers, religious practices, and serving as a timeless record of the Sumerian civilization. Beyond their religious significance, ziggurats were vibrant hubs of city life. Surrounding areas housed administrative buildings, workshops, and residences, creating a bustling center of activity that reflected the interconnectedness of Sumerian society. Trade and commerce thrived around ziggurats. Marketplaces flourished near them, where merchants traded with the exchange of goods from distant lands. Ziggurats were central to Sumerian festivals. During important religious celebrations, citizens gathered at these monumental structures, participating in ceremonies, processions, and festivities that strengthened communal bonds. As the sands of time drifted across Mesopotamia, many ziggurats succumbed to the ravages of nature and conflict. Yet, their legacy endures, echoing through the ages as a testament to Sumeria's architectural prowess and spiritual devotion. Today, as we gaze upon these ancient stepped pyramids, let us remember the Sumerians, their ziggurats, towering monuments that transcend time, and the profound cultural legacy they left imprinted on the sands of Mesopotamia.